Hello everyone, my name is Glener A Guibone and I'm tasked to report this page of our website, which is the home page. So first, we added some features on our div links. So if you hover, as you can see, there's a animation which tells you where you are, and if I hover to menu, there's a underlined animations there. So first, on the design of the web page, we added a picture of the coffee there. As you can see, 38 coffee, and we added the famous quote of this coffee shop, which is poured right in every cup. So as you can see, we also added order now button here, which takes you to the menu. So if you click it, there we are. Here we go in the menu. So after those things, we added a hotpicks, which helps you pick what's popular right now. So as you can see, matcha is very popular, iced mocha, iced caramel macchiato, and iced chocolate. So same as this feature here, it takes you to the menu. And next is I wanna add something in the div links. So if you click contact here, it takes you to the footer button, so which we'll be discussing later. So first is we had some details about the about us page on the home, as you can see. So if you read more, it'll take you to the about us page on the website. So if you click home again, and if you click contact as I done earlier, so if I click contact, it'll take you to the footer, which is filled with our contacts. So first is our number, then our Gmail account, then our Facebook page. So if you click here, it'll take you to the 38 Coffee official Facebook page. And if you click the Instagram, it also takes you to the official Instagram page of the 38 Coffee. So that's all for the homepage. Thank you.
So, good morning everyone. My name is Joseph Emmanuel E Mabansag, and today I will be explaining to you our part in our website, which is in the menu section. So here we have our menu section, which is included the navbar, login, classic drinks. We have 3 drinks in our menu. We have the classic drinks, we have the Yakult series, and we have the hot drinks. The classic drinks, it shows the classification of drinks that has the iced americano, the iced caramel macchiato, iced chocolate. As you can see, it has a CSS components, which has hover for every item. So it is included to all the items included here in the menu. So as you can see, so they have their prices in the middle of the boxes. So now we will try if you click the buy now button, it will go to instantly in the login, because you cannot buy if you don't actually log in. So for now, let's just log in an existing account. So I have created an account here. So here we are logged in. As you can see, it is a drop down here. It's the username, which has the profile orders and logout. So if you click on the menu, so we are now logged in. If you click the buy now button, we'll go to a next page, which has the item that is being clicked. So here you can see the quantity and the price of each item. So if you increase the quantity, and if you click the add cart, it will total how many the total amount of the product that you want to buy. As you can see, it is 38 times 3 is equals to 114 pesos. So it is included in the cart, the description of the item, its price, and the total amount, and its classification. So as you can see, we have the remove feature here. If you remove this, your cart will be instantly removed from the cart. So as you can see, if I click this, so it's already empty. So as we go back to the menu, let's try to add some random stuff. So I will buy this, only one. Then let's go back to the menu again. I'll buy this, two. I will go. If I add to cart, it's it directly sends in the cart. So here we have our desired product to buy. So as I click this checkout, it will instantly record to the database. So we have now our order. So we really didn't have a feature for a payment method, so it's okay though. So if I check out, the cart will be empty. So we have here our order section. If I click this, I have my total orders that I have bought. So I already bought many items before, so you can see many products. As you can see here, you can search my orders by ID, by product name, or the date. Especially our date is 21. So if you click 21 and search, it will only record it will only show the record of purchase that is been included in that day. So that is all for the menu. So here we have our database. So as you can see, this is highly confidential, so don't ever record this stuff. Joke lang. So so here we have our products. It is listed here. As you can see, it is connected. If you buy the product from the menu, it will retrieve what is we have our control structure there, or if else statement. If you buy, then it will retrieve the data from here to there. Then it will add a order. So if they generate a new order ID, and it will has the date in that particular time if you click the checkout. So as you can see, here it is. So it is also included in our other table, customer order product, where it is connected between all of the tables. We have here our product ID from the product, we have our customer ID from the customer, and our order ID from the order. So it is connected so that we will find the specific customer which he orders and which product that he orders, and how many items that he included to purchase. So that is all.
My name is Gabriel A. Dumdum. In this section, I will illustrate the about us of our website, where we can see the vision, mission, and the description of our website. Here we put on aesthetically images, and I will describe about us. Welcome to 38 Coffee, where every sip takes you closer to the perfect cup. We are a dedicated coffee house committed to serving you rich, flavorful coffee made from the finest beans. Our passion for coffee transcends the ordinary, offering you an experience that's both unique and unforgettable. In our mission at 38 Coffee is to provide an exceptional coffee experience through quality, passion, and community. We strive to source the finest beans, craft the perfect brews, and create a welcoming space where everyone feels at home. Join us in our journey to make every cup count. Whereas our vision is to be the premier coffee destination, recognized for our commitment to quality, innovation, and community impact. We envision a world where every cup of 38 Coffee inspires moments of connection and joy, enriching lives one brew at a time. So if we press this explore our vision, we go to the top.
Good day, I am Emmanuel Martos. So I'm gonna explain it to you our login page. So let's click login. As you can see your login form. And if you don't have account, you can click register button. And let's put our profile details. And after you fill out the form, click register. And after you click register, let's log in. So as you can see, after the login, you can see your profile at top right. And if you click it, there will be a drop down button, which has many features like profile, orders, logout. So let's click profile, and as you can see your profile details, and you can also edit your profile. So let's edit our profile first. So update profile, and then let's try to log out. And let's log in our previous account. So user not found, and let's log in our updated profile. So in second feature, we have order, and then we click order, and in order it displays the order history. So you don't have any order, so it indicates that you haven't ordered anything yet. For our last feature is logout. If you click logout, your account will be signed out.
So hello again. So here I am going to explain the database between the customer and the account created. So as you can see from the previous reporter, he explained that he created an account. So as we can see, our table for that is TBL customer. So first he registered. Here is the details, Emmanuel Martos. So the details here is connected for your corresponding account, which is created during if you click the register button. So the corresponding account for that is here. From the last row is MN24, so 1, 2, 3, and this table has another column which is role. So we have here role is all about the role of the user, if he is a user or admin. So here we created a general account for the admin, which is admin and 1, 2, 3. Later my other groupmate will explain the panel for the admin if you log in as an admin. So as you can see, the two tables are connected in this table, TBL customer account. So as you can see, the account ID of this is 23 from TBL account, and the customer ID is 8. So in here, TBL customer account, his account ID 23 here, and his customer ID is 8. So this serves as a bridge for the two tables. So that is all.
Hello again, I'm Glener A Guibone again, and I'm explaining the admin of this website. So let's try to log in the admin that's on the database, which the username is admin and the password is 123. So let's log in, and here's the admin. So first is the dashboard. You can see the different statistics of the website. First is the incomes, then the sales, then the total orders have been purchased, and the most recent orders, which purchased by Lance B. Gomez and Gabriel A. Dumdum. Next is the top selling product, which is led by Ice Macchiato by far. So next is the Ice Matcha and Ice Strawberry Latte. So Next is the sales by category. So these statistics really make sense because we made this website and we add some practices this month. So this data adds up. So we added many different products and tried many orders. So it should be skyrocketing at Feb and March and April. So this is the right data. Next feature is manage order, where you can see all the orders of the customers. So first is Lance B. Gomez, where you can see his orders here, different orders. So by chance, let's see customer name. Let's see Lance B. Gomez and search it. You can see all his orders. Okay, so let's try the product name. Let's try the product name, which is caramel macchiato. Product name, apply, and this is all the orders of the product named iced caramel macchiato. So next feature after the filter search is the date. So if we click here, from March 20 to March 21, there's a date of how many orders had been ordered that day, that 2 days window. So first is ordered by Lance B. Gomez, Alea G. Magan, and Lance B. Gomez again. So that's the purpose of this date feature here. Next feature is the manage menu, where you can add and delete item from the menu. So let's say, for example, let's add a iced mango. So put iced mango here, put like ICD 11, and description is iced mango. Classification is, let's see the menu here, the classic drinks. So classic drinks, which price is 45. So let's add that item. Item has successfully added. Let's check the menu. As you can see, there's a iced mango here added. So let's try and delete the iced mango here. So let's refresh this. Let's see if iced mango is here. Iced mango. See, iced mango, $45. Wow. So let's delete that. And let's see the menu again. So iced mango has been deleted. So that's pretty much all the features of the admin. So the dashboard lets you see the statistics. The manage order lets you see all the history of the orders, and manage menu lets you add and delete item on the menu. So that's it for the admin.